Python and MOJO revolve around function call. Implemented with std library hashtag dunder double underscore, greater than underscore. This dub underscore implemented by standard library hashtag dunder. Let's see the difference between Python def function and MOJO def function. In Python def, all values passed into Python def function, reference semantics. In MOJO def, all values passed into a MOJO fn function are immutable references by default. In Python def we follow reference semantics. Reference semantics is nothing but function can modify mutable objects passed into it and those changes are visible outside the function. Function can modify mutable objects passed into it and those changes are visible outside the function. Now we move to MOJO def function. All values passed into a MOJO def function use value semantics by default. MOJO def function receives a copy of all arguments. It can modify arguments inside the function, but the changes are not visible outside the function. Convention for immutable argument passing in a MOJO fn is called borrowing. Why arguments conventions are important? In Python, all fundamental values are references to objects. Python function can modify the original object. In Python, all fundamental values are references to objects. Thus, Python developers are used to thinking about everything as reference semantic. Python or machine level, you see references actually passed by copy. Python copies a pointer and adjusts reference counts. This Python approach, heap allocated, follow the same reference semantic approach. Values to live on the stack in hardware registers. Let's continue with the arguments information further. MOJO structs are always inlined into their container, used as a field of another type or into the stack frame of the containing function. How lifetimes of values controlled to keep MOJO a memory-safe language. MOJO compiler uses data flow analysis, type annotation provide full control over value copies, aliasing of references, and mutation control. These features similar in like a Rust language, but they work differently to make MOJO easier to learn. And they integrate better into the Python ecosystem without requiring a massive annotation burden.